Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyambak penjaslian Umrupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri ka Sorkar Zilla ubakmi yakatanat social welfare uba polling do. Ha ka life way tri kulalangkod arca pusan. Uloong kikam kelanang pau hadin baka Sorkar kala pentrekam yaka drug reduction, elimination and action mission. Banyak kuntma persya yaka jingwan rong jongo drugs syaka dika Zilla Meghalaya. Ha ka jingakran bakila pathai kubor uba pol ulai thu ba Lyngba ka dream project ka Zilla kala don yaka kunhun jongki pulit balakli da upulit officer bandon yaki tiar kitar banyak kun persya ya drugs ban alor kata mission director jongka dream ulai keleng ki benta jongka ri banyo jingmut kumno banweng yaki jing e bat banyak kun thma persya ya drugs kumban shipmentep hangni dangshen ka Sorkar MDA ha ka sien ka baar kala penjulor ya drugs uba kala yo ban kurup ha ka pajwa barham jongka star cement ka badai ka karkhana daubilat ka badon ha east janda hills ha ka bala sakhilang da minturang ba ka Zilla ukonrat kongka sangma.
The benefits and tangible results that the DREAM project has brought are multiple. For instance, it is for the first time since the creation of Meghalaya that we now have a dedicated police team headed by an SP with an office building of its own, with equipment and technology. Our mission director, Dream, has been liaising and traveling to other parts of the country where he has led the Dream officials to interact with those states, learn from them. Also, for the first time in many years, we have seen, in fact, it's the second time since MDA2 took over that we have seen the public incineration of seized drugs, where the Honorable Chief Minister of the state was also present. Apart from that, we have sought for more support from the local community. The response has been tremendous, and we are getting responses. For instance, the Maulai Town Dorbar is closely working with us on the de-addiction center. The Dorbarshnangs of Mauba and Upper Maupram have come forward with a proposal for the creation of VDP. So these are tangible results and tangible achievements.
So in terms of Maulai Town Darbar, we've come to know that they've stopped these rehabilitation centers in their locality.
No, there is just one problem, which is the relocation of the center, because there are some local issues involved. But it's not that they have stopped, because in fact, state government has released an amount of about 25 lakh rupees to them, and we are committed to further incentivizing them. But once the definite location of the center is finalized.
Also, there was a bill in the name of fighting drugs and working as NGOs that they're misleading the government, and just for the to misuse the funds that they apply to that they will help in fighting drug menace and help in the society. So how is the government ensuring that funds are not being misused and proper utilization of?
As of date, there has not been any formal official complaints from any quarters about misuse of funds. You see, while a lot of people might say a lot of things on social media, we are receptive to any constructive criticism that would help the government to function better. Also, we have been having large gatherings involving various stakeholders The latest happened at Nongre Mills at the NEC complex. And we are open to, if there are specific complaints about any such groups, we are open because DREAM consists not only just social welfare. We have the police, we have the health department, we have the education department, we have the law department, and these are departments which are handled by senior officials of the state government. See, the challenge here is that Meghalaya is a transit point, and the drug issue, the menace is not just within the state. The big suppliers are from outside the borders of Meghalaya. It's not like, for instance, the case of Punjab, where all the drugs emanate from within the state, and tackling that problem is, by comparison, simpler rather than tackling a problem whose origin is from outside the borders of Meghalaya. So you would need interstate cooperation. For instance, Assam police. It's not as if the drugs are, the supply chain emerges from Meghalaya. It would have been easier. But in this case, the challenge is more difficult because these drugs come from outside, from international borders, from Myanmar, reaching through Assam to Meghalaya. So the challenge is more. But with the kind of dedication and focus that we have been able to galvanize, I'm sure that we should be able to wipe out or at least bring down the problem. And with the awareness campaigns, as I had briefed you once, we have a total budget of 50 crores under the DREAM mission. We are committed to using every single paisa to the hilt to maximize our efforts to curtail and eradicate drug menace.
Kapor kala day, bapinjit yaki MDC jongpi Shaka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, but ka Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council. Ayu kinle lada ki job, ka ay katong, ka bakidon, ki ay kiman, ki bakongsan, ki bakibu hakman. Kita kide ki jingkeli, ki bafidon kam man yo ya ka jubab, haswa, bapin lek man tap ya ka vote jongpi haka arpuway tarik urampang arajar arpsan. Baik ya ka program, markman, pat ki kertong.